Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our channel. If you are looking to elevate your living room with the latest coffee table designs, you are in the right place. Today, we will be exploring some trendy options that can add styles and function to your space. So let's dive in. First up, we have the minimalist class coffee table. This design is perfect for those who love a clean and modern look. The transparent glass top creates an open feel, making your living room appear more spacious. Pair it with a sleek metal or wooden base for a touch of elegance. Next, let's take a look at a rustic wooden coffee table. This design brings a warm, natural vibe to any room. The rich wooden grain and sturdy build make it a timeless choice. Whether you are going for a farmhouse look or a cozy cabin feel, this table adds character and charm. Now, if you are someone who values both style and function, the multifunctional coffee table with storage is a must-have. It comes with built-in drawers or shelves, perfect for keeping your living room tidy. You can store magazines, remote controls, or even extra blankets. It's a great way to keep your space organized without sacrificing style. Last but not least, we have the industrial metal coffee table. This design is perfect for those who love a rugged, urban look. The metal frame, often paired with a wooden or concrete top, adds a cool, edgy vibe to your living room. It's durable, easy to maintain, and works well in modern lofts or industrial-themed spaces. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more home decor tips and ideas. Let us know in the comments which coffee table design is your favorite. Up till next time, happy decorating.